Welcome back to the Friedli's channel. Today I'm gonna help you make your own Camille tote bag. For this sewing tutorial we'll be using the Friedli's sewing pattern available on www.friedlis.com. Let's jump right in. Begin by folding and pressing the edges of the pocket. Then stitch them in place. Fold and press the remaining raw edges and set aside. Position the pocket over one of the lining pieces, following the pattern markings. Pin and stitch around the edges, leaving the top open to create the pocket. Place the lining pieces right sides together and stitch the longer edges, leaving the top and bottom cutouts open. Repeat the process with the outer fabric pieces. Press the seams open. Fold the straps in half and stitch along the raw edge, leaving one end open. Flip the straps right side out, press, and fold in the remaining raw edge. Closure the corners of both the lining and outer fabric pieces. Then, match the side and bottom seams and stitch to close the openings. Turn the outer panel inside out and insert the lining panel into it, ensuring right sides are facing. Pin and stitch around the top, leaving an opening for turning. Flip the bag right side out and top stitch to close the opening. Position the straps on each side of the tote bag and pin in place. Sew them securely, reinforcing with an X stitch. Measure and stitch to secure the bow in place. And there you have it, your beautiful Camille tote bag is complete and ready to accompany you on all your adventures. Customize it with different fabrics and strap lengths to make it uniquely yours. Happy sewing!